Hello friends, this is Lokendra. Welcome back to my channel. As promised in the previous video, I bought a benchmarking video of my newly assembled budget gaming PC. For your information, I edited all my previous videos on my newly assembled PC only. An editing video is not a sweat for this system. Exporting this video is also fairly good. Here I will be using 6 benchmarking softwares to show you all the performance of this PC. I ran all these benchmark softwares in extreme settings with good frame rates, but my screen capturing software is giving issue with the extreme settings. So I am running benchmarks on basic settings. Please keep in mind that all these benchmarking applications are running very smooth in higher setting as well. So without any further ado, let's start with the benchmarking. Let's start the benchmarking process. We'll start with CPU ID, CPU Z, then topics demo, then Valley benchmark, followed by Heavens benchmark, then Century demo, and finally Cinebench. So let's start with CPU ID, CPU Z. It is collecting information of your complete system. CPU ID, CPU Z provide you the complete information of your complete system in real time as well. The first tab provide you the complete information about your CPU, which is AMD Ryzen 5 3500. The second tab provide you the complete information of processor cache. The third tab provide you the complete information of your motherboard, including BIOS and graphics interface. Next tab provide you the complete information of installed memory. Here we are using 2 RAMs to achieve dual channel. If you want to know how to create a dual channel, please go and watch my assembly video. Link is provided in the description. Next tab provide you the complete information of the motherboard memory slots. Here in this motherboard we have 4 memory slots. Slot 1 is empty. Slot 2 have 1 memory installed, which is DDR4 8GB RAM. Slot 3 is again empty. Slot 4 is similar to the slot 2. Let's move on to graphics tab. It provides you the information about the installed graphics card. We are using Asus Radeon RX 570 series graphics card, which is 4GB of DDR5 RAM. Let's move on to the next tab, which is a bench tab, and let's start the benchmarking of our CPU. Benchmarking is complete. If you want to compare your score with another processor, you can select the respective processor from the provided list. I am going to select the equivalent processor to my processor, which is i7-7700. It is 4.2 GHz 4 core 8 thread processor. If you compare the price of these two processors, the price of Ryzen 5 3500 processor is way less. That is why I chose this processor. Next, I provide you the complete information of the software CPU Z. If you want to download this software, please go and download it from www.cpuid.com. Let's close it for now and move on to the next benchmarking software, Graphics Demo. I will be running it on DirectX 9. Press F9 to start the benchmarking process. So the benchmarking is complete. Minimum FPS is 98.9 and the maximum FPS is 263.9. The average FPS we received is 168. This PC scores 4233 points. Let's close this. Let's start the next benchmark from Valley benchmark. We'll be running the basic version. Without any hiccups. Close it as well. Let's start the next benchmark, which is Heaven's benchmark 4.0. We'll be running the basic benchmark as well. Take F5 to start the benchmark. Let's start the benchmark. benchmark is complete. The minimum FPS is 43.4 and the maximum FPS is 273.3. The average FPS is 166.8. This system received the score of 4201. Let's close this. And start the next benchmarking software, which is Century Demo version 2.3. I'll be running the default settings. Let's start the benchmarking. Press F9. So the benchmarking is complete. Minimum FPS is 106.4 and the maximum FPS is 222.1. Average FPS is 187.4. This system received the score of 7947 for Century Demo. Let's close it. Click on Quit. All previous 4 benchmarking software are from Unicorn. Let's close it. And finally, let's start the Cinebench benchmark. Click on Run to start the benchmarking process of the CPU. This benchmarking is complete as well. This system received the score of 2255, which is better than Intel Core i7-6700 CPU. So let's close it as well. So we have done 6 benchmarks, and it all shows that system is a very good budget gaming PC, as well as you can do the graphics work in this as well. So if you want to know more about the hardware components used in this build, please go and watch my assembly video as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any upcoming action of further unboxing and a touring bike which I am getting very soon. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and be happy.